is October 23rd and our last full day in the Smokies on our short and quick girls trip. Ooh, this hair. A little update about yesterday. It did take us 10 minutes shy of 2 hours to get down from the other side of the mountain. If there was a wreck, there was nothing left by the time we got down. I do believe it was just traffic. I have ran into that before this time of year. It was because of the time we were coming down off the mountain. Everyone was unpiling from all of the popular trails. So we did finally get back into town. We ate leftovers again last night. We did not feel like going out anywhere. But again, today is October 23rd, our last full day here. So we are about to take off. It is, let me check the time. It is 8:15 here. We are going to go do the Roaring Forks Motor Trail and then go to the Sugarland Visitor Center, hoping for a parking spot. Have not scored one yet this time. And then after that, we're gonna go out to Pigeon Forge and eat lunch at the old mill and kind of mill around there. And then tonight we have our big event at Anakeesta. It is the Star event that they started this weekend that is completely sold out. So we have a big day ahead of us, and I will check in when there are exciting things to check in about. Well, we got here at 9:45 and was able to get a parking spot, so we are going to walk back to Cataracts. Probably won't film too much because I filmed this multiple times, but we are at the Sugarlands. Well, this is a couple times now we have made it to Cataract Falls, and there is no one else here. There was a couple people when we first got here, but alright, we're gonna head back to the Sugarlands, do a little shopping, and head to the old mill for lunch. Alright, y'all, we have had lunch and we took a nap. Now we are headed across the road over yon to Anakeesta. We have tickets at 8:15 for the Astra Lumina. Just launched this weekend. It's completely sold out. First time it's ever launching within the US. It has been in other countries, I guess is what I had read. But we are about to walk over there and ride the chairlift up to the mountain. We're going to do a couple of things up there, and then we're going to go to Astra Lumina. We're very excited. See you then. Alright, y'all, here we go. Up, up, and away to Anakeesta. They said it's about a 20-minute ride, so we shall see. It could not be nicer weather, and the sky could not be bluer.
Sorry, blinded my phone.
Look, they took all the flowers out of the pots and put pumpkins in it. Oh my gosh, it looks so different now than when we were here.
You don't know Ruth?
Well, and I think with it not being as hot out here.
Capart Cafe. That's the bad Mama Gamma. We're about to climb the stairs.
Exactly.
8 people. What are we doing? Alright y'all, opening weekend of Astra Lumina, I believe is how we're gonna pronounce that. Never before in the US. I'm getting cold chills, y'all. We're always told to reach for the stars, but what if the stars could reach for us? the end of Anakeesta, and it is breathtaking coming down this at night. Almost brings you to tears. And the Astra Lumina was everything it could have been and more. I can still hear it going. It's just beautiful. The city alive at night and a bunch of yahoos. Good morning, y'all. It is travel day. Oh, spot on my face there. We are gonna walk the Sugarland nature trail, which is something we found in our trip in May. It's just a little half-mile loop. Very cute, paved. It's actually handicap accessible, which I talked about in my other video. But this is how we are going to end our trip. There's Mama up there. That is 2022 girls trip. I think we might stop at one place in Pigeon Forge and possibly Hattie B's in Nashville for a lunch. We'll see what happens here. But for now, I'm gonna get off here. I will leave you with a little walk in the woods.